Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to be learning how to use Boomerang on Instagram. To use Boomerang on Instagram, open the Instagram app on your smartphone and log in if necessary. Now once you end up in the home page of Instagram, tap on the plus button right at the top left where you see your story. Now click on the camera icon on the next page. You will then be able to see the camera appearing on the screen. Go ahead and head over to the right hand corner of the screen and look for the infinity icon and tap on it. After selecting the infinity icon, press and hold the capture button to record a short burst of motion. Instagram will automatically loop it back and forth. You can now go ahead and edit your recording, choose filters, add musics, insert text, stickers, filters or GIFs. And finally, after you are happy, you can go ahead and tap on your story at the bottom left to share it with all followers. You can also send it to close friends or a selected group, or simply download this boomerang to save it on your gallery. And that's how you can easily boomerang on Instagram. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye till then.